Ready to take your website from bland to beautiful? First, open Adobe Dreamweaver and set up your website project, or open an existing one. You should have your HTML file, which will determine the content of your website, and a CSS file, which is currently empty, where all your style rules will go. Think of your HTML as the bones of your site, and your CSS is the clothing that gives it personality. Now, let's create our style sheet. You can manually do this, or if you don't have one, go to the File menu and select New. Select CSS in the New Document window to generate your style sheet file. This will be where you'll write all your CSS rules. Save your new CSS file. It's really important to do this from the File menu. Select Save. You should save your CSS file in the same folder as your HTML file, which will make things easier down the line. Give your file a clear, descriptive name, like Stylex. Next, switch over to your HTML file in the code view. Locate the head section of your HTML document. This is where we'll link the CSS file. You want to link the two files, so the HTML knows to read the rules written into the CSS. Within the head tags, insert a link tag. Include the rel attribute set to Stylesheet, the ref attribute, which specifies the path to your CSS file, and a type attribute to specify it is a CSS file. Save both your HTML and CSS files. Now to make the HTML read the CSS file, that's it. Your HTML and CSS are now linked. Any styles you define in your CSS file will automatically be applied to the equivalent elements in your HTML document. Now you can get to work to create the perfect website.